Hey there and welcome. Today, we are going to tackle a huge question in the IT world. If you're standing at a crossroads trying to figure out if you should go for CompTIA's Network Plus or Security Plus, then you are in exactly the right place. So let's get right into it.
This is it, right? The big question. Network Plus or Security Plus? It's probably one of the most common debates for anyone starting out in IT. But don't worry, by the time we're done here, you're going to have a super clear idea of which path is the right one for you.
You know, trying to build a career in IT without any guidance can feel like you're exploring a new city with no map. That's what certifications are. They're your roadmaps. They prove your skills to employers, they give you instant credibility, and they lay out a structured path for you to follow and grow your career. All right, so first things first, let's really get to know these two foundational paths. We're going to define exactly what each certification is, who it's really built for, and what it tells the world about your skills.
Okay, first step is Network Plus. Think of this as the bedrock credential for IT networking. And it's vendor neutral, which is huge. It means the skills you learn aren't just for Cisco or Juniper gear, they apply everywhere. The key takeaway here is that Network Plus teaches you the deep down fundamentals of how all our devices and systems connect and talk to each other. It's the how it all works certification.
And then on the other side of the coin, you've got Security Plus. This is pretty much the entry-level gold standard if you want to get into cybersecurity. It's so well respected, it even meets the Department of Defense requirements, which makes it a non-negotiable for a ton of government and contractor jobs. So if Network Plus is all about how networks work, Security Plus is all about how you protect them.
And this table here really breaks it down nicely. See? Network Plus is laser-focused on infrastructure and troubleshooting, perfect for help desk pros and future network specialists. Meanwhile, Security Plus is all about sniffing out threats and managing risk, which is tailored for aspiring security analysts. One is about building the house, the other is about installing the security system.
All right, now let's get into the nitty-gritty. It's time for a head-to-head comparison. We're going to look at everything from how the exams are structured and how tough they are, all the way to the kind of career and salary you can expect with each one. Now, what's pretty interesting is that on the surface, the exams look almost identical, right? Up to 90 questions, 90 minutes. But check out the details. The passing score for Security Plus is just a little bit higher, 750 versus 720. And those hands-on questions, they're totally different. For Network Plus, you'll be doing actual configuration. For Security Plus, you'll be analyzing security scenarios. So, the million-dollar question, which one's harder? Well, honestly, it depends on what you're good at. Most people will tell you Network Plus is more technical. You've got to get your hands dirty with stuff like subnetting, which, involves some tricky binary math to slice up networks. It can be a real roadblock for some. Security Plus, on the other hand, is conceptually broader. You're learning about risk management, compliance frameworks. It can feel a little abstract if you don't have that networking foundation.
And hey, you don't have to take my word for it. This comment from an IT pro really nails the feeling. They called subnetting a beast, and they're not wrong. But once they got over that really technical hurdle, the big picture concepts in Security Plus just felt more like memorization. It really depends on how your brain works.
And of course, we got to talk about the money. This chart makes the salary difference crystal clear. Jobs that ask for Network Plus, they're often in that $55,000 to $75,000 range. But look at Security Plus. That jumps up to $70,000 to $95,000. And that gap, well, it's pretty much classic supply and demand. Companies will pay top dollar for skilled people who can protect their data. Okay, so we've laid out all the facts and figures, but now we get to the most important part, figuring out which path is your path. This is all about helping you make the right choice for your future. Let's break this down into two simple steps. First, think about your style. Are you someone who loves to get your hands dirty, troubleshoot, and figure out why something is broken? That is the Network Plus mindset. Or are you more of a defender, a strategist who likes to think 3 steps ahead of the bad guys? That's the Security Plus path. And step 2, what's your ultimate career goal? Be really honest with yourself. Do you see yourself as a network administrator or a cybersecurity analyst? Now, this right here gives some super clear advice based on your situation. If you are a total beginner, starting with Network Plus is an amazing idea. It builds that solid foundation you'll need for everything else. But let's say you're changing careers and your target is 100% cybersecurity, then jumping straight to Security Plus could definitely save you some time. Already in IT support? Grab Network Plus to level up, then get Security Plus to specialize.
So, you've figured out your goals, you've picked your certification path, so what's next? The obvious question is, how in the world do I pass this thing? So let's spend our last few minutes talking about how to set yourself up for success.
You've made the call. The decision is done. Now it's time to get the right tools in your corner so you can walk in on exam day and crush it. Listen, the secret is to study smarter, not just longer. So you should be looking for tools that do things like offer an AI-guided learning path. I mean, imagine a platform like Flash Genius that literally takes out all the guesswork and tells you exactly what to focus on next. You can drill down on your weak spots with specific practice and then see if you're ready with exam simulations that feel just like the real deal.
But here's the real game changer, turning your mistakes into your biggest strength. Instead of just seeing that you got a question wrong, a smart review system will explain why it was wrong. Suddenly, every mistake becomes a powerful lesson. It can even show you the common traps that thousands of other students fall into, so you can avoid them. And of course, having interactive flashcards is clutch for studying on the go.
So as you're shopping around for study tools, look past the ones that just give you a big pile of practice questions. The real edge comes from intelligent features like AI guidance and learning from the mistakes of the community. It's about finding a modern, smart approach that's actually built to help you learn efficiently and effectively.
So there it is. The path forward is clear, and the best ways to prepare for success are right there for the taking. Your IT career literally starts right now with this decision. So the only real question left is, are you ready? If that answer is a yes, then what are you waiting for? Go start a free trial with Flash Genius today and get ready to pass your Network Plus or Security Plus exam the smart way. Thanks so much for watching.